For WTSA News and for Brattleboro Community Television on your Tuesday, December 3rd, my name is Ian Kelly, and these are some of the stories we're following at this hour. Windham Southeast School Board members have begun the process of choosing the next school superintendent. Windham Southeast Supervisory Union has created an exploratory search committee, which will hold its first meeting on Thursday. The committee will not make the final choice, but it will research and discuss all possible options in order to make an informed recommendation of the full Windham Southeast Supervisory Union Board. In November, School Superintendent Lyle Holliday announced at a public meeting that she planned to step down in June of 2020. As the Vermont Legislature's 2020 session draws near, Brattleboro's delegates to the Vermont House have scheduled a series of public discussions. Molly Burke, Tristan Tolino, and Emily Kornheiser will hold a public meeting December 16th at 6:30 p.m. on the first floor of Brooks Memorial Library. Through the winter, the reps will be holding forums on the third Saturday of the month at 10 a.m. in the Brooks Memorial Library Community Room. Vermont's Department of Health has launched Let's Talk Cannabis, a web resource of science-based information aimed at increasing awareness about cannabis and how it affects our bodies, minds, and well-being. Health Commissioner Michael Levine said certain groups are at a greater risk of serious health problems associated with cannabis use, including people who breastfeed or are pregnant. It is illegal in Vermont for anyone under the age of 21 to consume or possess cannabis, but national data shows that more people in the state ages 12 and up are using marijuana compared to the U.S. overall. The number of Vermonters ages 12 to 17 who tried for the first time is also higher than the country as a whole. The Vermont Fish and Wildlife Department is offering hunters the opportunity to participate in its annual Deer Hunter Efforts Survey. The survey is like a diary, where hunters record how many hours they hunted and how many deer, moose, bears, or other wildlife they saw on each day of the November rifle season. This information helps the department evaluate how hunting pressure and the number of these animals varies throughout the season and around the state. Vermont Fish and Wildlife has mailed survey cards to several thousand randomly selected hunters each year since 1999. That survey is now available for all licensed deer hunters through the Fish and Wildlife website. WTSA Sports, Monday Night Football. Russell Wilson hit David Moore for a 60-yard touchdown pass. The Seattle Seahawks built a big second-half lead before holding off the Minnesota Vikings in Monday Night Football action last night, 37-30. In the NHL this evening, the Bruins, winners of 7 straight, host the Carolina Hurricanes with a puck dropping at 7 p.m. For WTSA News and for Brattleboro Community Television, on this Tuesday, December 3rd, my name is Ian Kelly.